Hello everyone, welcome back to my educational channel Study with NRS. In this video I am going to discuss 40 plus MCQs of biology first chapter, that is cell cycle and cell division. So do watch the full video. If you want to speed up, you can go with the speed of 1.5 also, but do watch the full video. Let's begin this video. So the first question is, chromatin fibers is made up of DNA and dash. The four options are chromatid, nucleosome, histone proteins, or the histone proteins. The right answer will be histone proteins. Moving to the next question, that is question number 2. The two sister chromatids of a chromosome are attached to each another at what? The four options are centromere, telomere, polymere, or centrioles. As we know that two sister chromatids are being attached at the center known as centromere. So the option number A, that is centromere, is the right answer. Moving to the next question, that is question number 3. Chromosomes get aligned at the center of the cell during what? Which phase? The four options are metaphase, anaphase, prophase, or telophase. So as we know that during the metaphase, the chromosomes get aligned at the equator or at the center. So the right answer will be metaphase, that is option number A. Moving to the next question, that is question number 4. Synthesis phase in the cell division is called so because of the synthesis of more what? As we know that in the synthesis phase, the more the RNA and the proteins are get synthesized for the DNA production. So the right answer will be the option number B, RNA and proteins. So only RNA will be also wrong, and DNA to production hai, so DNA will be also not correct, and the glucose is totally wrong. So the right answer will be RNA and proteins. Moving to the next question, that is question number 5. State the exact location of the centromere. Exact location of the centromere, as we have now only seen above in the second question, that is center of the chromosomes is known as centromere. So the four options given there are at the center of chromosome, at the center of DNA, at the center of nucleus, or at the end terminals of chromosome. As we have now only seen that chromosome center is known as centromere. So the right answer will be at the center of chromosome, that is option number A. Question number 6. State the repeating components of each DNA strand lengthwise. The four options are nitrogenous base, guanine and cytosine, adenine and thymine, and nucleotide. As we know that the lengthwise components is known as nucleotides, and the part of nucleotides are nitrogenous base, and the guanine and cytosine is the part of the nitrogen base, adenine and thymine is also the part of the nitrogen base. So the only right answer is nucleotides, option number D. Moving to the next question, that is question number 7. The complex consisting of a DNA strand and a core of histones is known as. Complex consists of a DNA strand and a core of histones is known as. The four options are nucleolus, nitrogenous base, nucleotides, and nucleosome. And as we have seen in the ultrastructure of chromosomes, the complex structure which is combined of DNA strands and some 8 core of histone proteins is known as nucleosome. So the right answer will be the option number D, that is nucleosome. Moving to the next question, that is question number 8. A pair of corresponding chromosomes of the same size and shape, one from each parent, is known as bivalent chromosomes, heterologous chromosomes, tetrad chromosomes, or homologous chromosomes. Of same shape and size but from one from each parent. So the right answer will be homologous chromosomes, that is option number D. Moving to the next question, that is question number 9. Name the type of cell division that occur during the growth of shoot and during formation of pollen grains respectively. Four options are mitosis only, meiosis only, mitosis and meiosis, and meiosis and mitosis. As we know that growth of a shoot occurs during the mitosis, and the formation of pollen grains takes place in the cell division of meiosis. So the right answer will be the mitosis and meiosis, that is option number C. Moving to the next question, that is question number 10. Name the type of cell division that occurs during replacement of old leaves and formation of gametes respectively. The four options are mitosis and meiosis, meiosis and mitosis, mitosis only, or meiosis only. Now, replacement of all leaves occurs during the mitosis cell division and the formation of gametes takes place during the meiosis cell division. So the right answer will be the mitosis and meiosis only. That is option number A, mitosis and meiosis. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 11. The process by which new cells are formed from pre-existing cells is called. The four options are cell cycle, cell division, cytokinesis cycles, or division. The right answer will be cell cycle, because the process by which new cells are formed from pre-existing cells is known as cell cycle only. Moving to the next question, that is question number 12. The ordered sequence of events during which cells prepares to divide itself is called divide itself. Cells prepares to divide itself is called cell division. So the right answer will be the option number 1, that is cell division. Moving to the next question, that is question number 13. The correct sequence for the cell in multicellular organisms divided 4. The correct sequence is growth, then repair, then replacement, and then production of gametes. So the right answer will be option number 3. Rest options are wrong. Moving to the next question, that is question number 14. The correct sequence of cell cycle is. So the correct sequence of cell cycle is gap 1 phase, then gap 0 phase, and then synthesis phase, then gap 2 phase, and then the mitosis phase. So the right answer will be the option number 2, because gap 1, after gap 1 phase, gap 0 phase can also become. So the right answer will be second option, that is gap 1 phase, gap 2 0 phase, then synthesis phase, then gap 2 phase, and then mitosis phase. Moving to the next question, that is question number 15. In which phase the mitochondria and chloroplast divide? So in the gap 1 phase only the mitochondria and chloroplast divide. So the right answer will be option number 1, that is gap 1 phase. Moving to the next question, that is question number 16. In which phase the DNA gets doubled but the chromosomes numbers remains unchanged? In the synthesis phase, the DNA gets doubled but the chromosomes remains unchanged. So the right answer will be option number 4, that is synthesis phase. Moving to the next question, that is question number 17. G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase together known as interphase, resting phase, both A and B, or the none of these. The right answer will be both interphase as well as resting phase, because G1 S phase and the G2 phase known as interphase as well as resting phase. Moving to the next question, that is question number 18. Which proteins brings the cell cycle to halt until the error is corrected? The proteins given in the options are guardian proteins, parent proteins, p53 proteins, or the both, option number 1 and the 3rd. So the right answer will be both, option number 1 and the 3rd. Guardian proteins are also denoted by p53 proteins. Moving to the next question, that is question number 19. Which of the following is not a part of interphase? The options are gap 2 phase, gap 1 phase, M phase, or synthesis phase. So the right answer will be the M phase, because M phase is not the part of interphase. Moving to the next question, that is question number 20. How many complete sets of chromosomes does mitosis and meiosis respectively have? So one complete set is known as haploid and the 2 complete sets will be known as diploid. So according to that, mitosis having the 2 sets of complete chromosomes, so the mitosis will be diploid and meiosis will be haploid. So the right answer will be the option number 1, that is diploid and haploid. Moving to the next question, that is question number 21. Who discovered structure of DNA? The 4 options are Watson and Crick, or Waldeyer. The right answer will be Watson and Crick, that is option number 3rd. To the next question, that is question number 22. Who discovered mitosis and when? The 4 options given below are Waldeyer Fleming in 1882, Waldeyer in 1882, Waldeyer Fleming in 1886 or Waldeyer in 1886? The right answer will be Waldeyer Fleming in 1882. Moving to the next question, that is question number 23. Who discovered meiosis and when? The four options given below are J.B. Farmer in 1905, J.E.S. Moore in 1905, Waldeyer, or both. Option number first and second. The right answer will be both. J.B. Farmer in 1905 as well as J.E.S. Moore in 1905. The right answer will be option number 4, both of these. Moving to the next question, that is for 24, question number 24. Who discovered chromosomes and when? The four options given below are Waldeyer Fleming in 1882, Waldeyer in 1882, Waldeyer Fleming in 1886, Waldeyer in 1888. The right answer will be Waldeyer in 1888, that is option number 4. Moving to the next question, that is question number 25. The term chromosomes literally means. The four options are inherited bodies, twisted body threads, colored bodies, or shining threads. The right answer will be option number 3, that is colored bodies. Moving to the next question, that is question number 26. The correct sequence of the stages of mitosis are. As we know that the correct stage of the phase of mitosis are PMAT, PMAT, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, that is option number 2. Its short form is PMAT. It can be memorized by the term PMAT, that is PMAT. You can memorize it by the term PMAT, PMAT. Moving to the next question, that is question number 27. What are the 3 components of nucleotides? The 4 options are phosphate, sugar, nitrogenous base, all 3, nitrogenous base only, or the none of these. The right answer will be option number 2, that is all 3, phosphate, sugar, and nitrogenous base. Moving to the next question, that is question number 28. The number of chromosomes in a certain types of cell division is halved. This kind of a cell division occurs in. The 4 options are only testes, only ovary, both ovary and testes, or all the body cells. The right answer will be both, ovary as well as testes, that is option number 3. Moving to the next question, that is question number 29. A specific sequence of nucleotides on a chromosome constitutes. The 4 options are a gene, a DNA, a recessive, a dominant. The right answer will be a gene, that is option number 1. Moving to the next question, that is question number 30. Which type of bond will join the complementary nitrogenous base? That is hydrogen bond. We know that the hydrogen bond joins the all complementary nitrogenous base, that is option number 1 will be the right answer. Moving to the next question, that is question number 31. How many hydrogen bond joins the adenine to thymine and the guanine to cytosine? Adenine to thymine joins 2 hydrogen bonds and the guanine to cytosine joins the 3 hydrogen bond. So the right answer will be the option number 2, that is 2 and 3 respectively. To the next question, that is question number 32. In which phase DNA replicates? The 4 options are S phase, gap 1 phase, gap 2 phase, or M phase. The right answer will be S phase, that is synthesis phase, that is option number 1. Moving to the next question, that is question number 33. In which type of cells mitosis occurs? The 4 options are somatic, reproductive, equational, or none of these. The right answer will be somatic cells. Moving to the next question, that is question number 34. In which type of cells meiosis occurs? Meiosis occurs in reproductive cells, that is option number 2. Moving to the next question, that is question number 35. What are the rungs of the DNA ladder made of? The rungs of the DNA ladder made of all nitrogenous base, that is adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. So the right answer will be the option number 1, that is nitrogenous base. Moving to the next question, that is question number 36. The point at which crossing over takes place is known as. With the point at which crossing over takes place is known as chiasmata. So that is the option number 1. The spelling is CHIASMATA, that is option number 1. Moving to the next question, that is question number 37. State the exact location of ester. Ester is located above the or upper part of the spindle fiber. That is option number first. Moving to the next question, that is question number 38. State the exact location of centrioles. Centrioles is located between the spindle fiber in animal cell. Centrioles is only present in animal cell. So the right answer will be option number third, between spindle fiber in animal cell. Moving to the next question, that is question number 39. State the function of centrioles in animal cell. Initiate the cell division in animal cell, initiate the cell division in plant cell, both of these, or controls the center of nucleus. So centrioles is only present in animal cell, so it will initiate the cell division in animal cell only. So the right answer will be the option number first. Moving to the next question, that is question number 40. Karyokinesis takes place in. Karyokinesis, as we know that karyokinesis always takes place in cell membrane. So the right answer will be the option number third, that is cell membrane. Moving to the next question, that is question number 41. Cytokinesis takes place in. The four options are cellulose, cell membrane, cytoplasm, or chloroplast. The term cytokinesis itself reflects the term cytoplasm, and also the right answer is option number second, that is cytoplasm. The cytokinesis takes place in cytoplasm only. Moving to the next question, that is question number 42. In animal cell and the plant cell respectively, cytokinesis forms. What forms the cytokinesis in animal cell? In animal cell, furrow formation takes place, and in plant cell, cell plate forms. So the right answer will be the option number first, that is furrow formation and the cell plate.